In this video, how to install uBlock Origin extension on Google Chrome 142. I've tested this version, and the method to enable temporary experiments, then sideload the extension no longer works. You'll get the error, failed to load extension because it uses an unsupported manifest version. When installing uBlock extension, you'll notice the Add to Chrome button is disabled. First, close all Chrome windows. Next, search for the Chrome app. Right-click and select Open File Location. Right-click on the Chrome shortcut and select Properties. In the Target field, add this at the end with a space. So, the final target will look like this. Click OK to save the change. Additionally, if you use a Chrome shortcut on your desktop, you'll need to replace it with the custom one. From now on, every time you open Chrome, it will launch with the custom flags automatically. And we can install Manifest version 2 extensions as usual. This works for all MV2 extensions. And finally, this is a temporary solution. Google might completely remove support for Manifest version 2 extensions in future updates. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.